Okay, kill all of the ones of blue team and win this match. Hey, yo, shit, because of you. You're covering yourself and killing me. What a teammate I got in this red team. That's my body. Right there. Hey, he just did you see that? What the fuck? Okay. Blue team, blue team, blue team. Oh shit. My teammates are shooting me. Hey yo! I'm not the fastest like a ninja. I'm slow at this game, but I can't kill anybody because I have thousands of kills. It's not in this match. By mixing every match, thousands and he's gone as you. Shit. What the hell? Okay. 173. Who's that idiot, yo? What an idiot. You came. Oh yeah. Shit. Oh hell yeah. I spawned right here. You could not go anyway. But he's dead. Anyways. Someone just sniped me. The secret is here. From here. And now in between. The between one is here. And whenever taking. What the hell? He just sniped me through walls. He's just cheating. You idiot! I have to take another one now. This, this, this. The shotgun has the longest range. Never mind. Quick deploy. It will just shoot and shoot the guys for you. Yep. He could not do anything to me. They could not touch me or whatever. I just killed 2 people. That's good. Hello, my name's Sana. My name's Dave. I'm kidding. Oh shit! Never mind. Dude, this game is so amazing. Why I can't type? It is possible. I am typing this time and then I'll kill you. Tumber Island. I will kill you. Tumbling. Oh shit. He just sniped me. What the hell? Rocket. Just kill them. You have to rock and kill them. Rock, kill. Shit. Killing down. I shot him 100 bullets. He's hacking too. Since he's the hacker. Last time, tell me by hacking through walls. Hey you! Oh shit! He should not reach there. Come on. He hasn't reached. He haven't reached here. Oh yeah. This is it. No one could kill me right now. Who was that freaking? I will not leave him alive. He should be dead because he is gonna shoot me. Idiot. What idiot? Yeah, I think they are there. I'm just following Gamerbot. What is he doing? I think she is mad. Okay, I will do my things, okay? There are mine. One of mine is here. All of mine is here. So I'm the China is gone down. One of mine is down also. I'm only up at here. And the blue teams, I think the blue teams left. They lost. They freaking lose. And leave too. No, they are hiding. Yo! I know this gun would be useful. Let's see how much killed. 6 kills. My name's right here. On the red team, third one. See, kill 6. That's 16 streak. How much? Shit. That's 17. Don't let him come on. They just passed me. What the? I shoot. I think it's lagging so much. This game. Hey, that's my spot. Don't go there. You how dare. Okay, is this it? Blue teams are gonna lose. Do you know, after I kill someone, why I keep on shooting? Because this game is glitching so much. Okay, Roka 123, do it for me. So that's it for today's video. Okay guys, meet you again another video. Bye. See you guys later. Later means elevator. Later, elevator.